Hi everyone, I'm Harvey from UPDF, and today we are going to explore the theme of UPDF Cloud, syncing PDF files across multiple devices. Now, you may have used Apple iCloud, but what is UPDF Cloud? And what can it help with? How do you use UPDF Cloud on your mobile and desktop devices? In this video, we will tell you all the answers. UPDF seamlessly supports all Mac, Windows, iOS and Android devices. By uploading a PDF file to your Mac UPDF Cloud, you can then access the same file on your iPhone, Windows PC or Android device effortlessly. There are 3 simple ways to upload a file to UPDF Cloud, and now we will demonstrate them to you one by one. Method 1. Direct upload. Run UPDF and click the UPDF Cloud option on the left toolbar. Click on the Upload File button to initiate the upload process. Select the desired file from your local storage. UPDF Cloud will securely upload and store your file, ensuring it is readily available whenever you need it. Method 2. Save to cloud with the file opened. Open your file from your local storage and make some changes to it with UPDF. After the changes, you can save it directly to the cloud. Here's what you need to do. Open the file you want to upload in UPDF. Click on the Save As button on the right panel. From the available options, choose Save to UPDF Cloud. UPDF will seamlessly save the file to UPDF Cloud, making it accessible across multiple devices. Method 3. Save to cloud from recent files. UPDF allows quick access to recent files and enables easy saving to UPDF Cloud. Open UPDF and navigate to the Recent Files section. Locate the desired file you want to upload to UPDF Cloud. Click on the 3 dots next to the file. Choose Copy to UPDF Cloud from the options provided. UPDF PDF software will promptly save the file to UPDF Cloud, ensuring secure storage and effortless access. By utilising these 3 convenient methods, you can effortlessly upload files to UPDF Cloud, providing seamless file management, enhanced collaboration, and reliable storage for your important documents. After knowing how to upload a file to UPDF Cloud, we also want to tell you about the editing feature. Now, we can open the file from UPDF Cloud on my Mac. We can edit it, and then simply save it with Command S, or Control S if you are using a Windows PC. Next, you can go to another device. Here, I have my iPhone to open the same file in the UPDF Cloud, and you can find that all the changes made on the Mac can be seen on the iPhone. It's great for us to edit the same file without any platform limits. If there are too many files in your UPDF Cloud, you can manage your documents with ease using the folder feature. Normal folder. You can click the New Folder option to create a new folder in your UPDF Cloud. Then check the file that you want to process. A menu bar will appear on the top of the interface, and you choose to move, copy, download, rename, or create new folder with selection. Besides, you can also simply right-click on the file that you want to select, or click the 3 dots next to the cloud icon to reach the menu list. Share folder. This feature is related to share this feature with others. Now we will share a link here. Once finished, you can go back to the share folder and you'll find that the file that you shared is just here. If you go back to the share option and click unshare file, then the file in the share folder will also disappear. Isn't it interesting? Here are several cloud settings that you might need. Open. Rename. Copy. Download. Star this file. Delete. Search. With storage options ranging from 2 GB to 100 GB, you can upgrade to gain exclusive access to larger cloud storage capacities. For example, we have UPDF Pro, which gives you 110 GB of cloud storage. We have UPDF Pro's Perpetual license, which gives you 102 GB of cloud storage. And we also have UPDF AI Assistant, which gives you 100 GB of cloud storage. There are also enterprise and education options too. In conclusion, UPDF Cloud offers a seamless solution for syncing and managing PDF files across multiple devices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and tips. Experience the convenience of UPDF Cloud by downloading UPDF today. Thank you for watching.